Hi guys! Synchronization is an automation feature, but instead of running automated scripts, it synchronizes actions in real time. In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to use this feature according to the latest update. First, access the Synchronizer feature from the left menu bar. Here, select the profiles you want to synchronize. The first selected profile will be the main profile. All actions you perform in this profile window will be synchronized to the other profiles. You can use this button to switch the main status to another profile. Before running this profile, you need to set up some parameters as follows. First is profile scaling to choose whether to zoom in or zoom out the content in the profile window. The system default is 100%. Next is arranging the window layout with two options. The first option is adaptive. If selected, the system will automatically arrange the profiles based on your screen size. Or you can customize the number of rows and columns of profiles according to your needs. The system sets the minimum profile size at 640px, so depending on your device screen size, you should adjust the number of rows and columns to ensure profiles are fully displayed. If the total number of displayed profiles is less than the number of profiles to be displayed, the remaining profiles will overlap other profiles, except the main profile. Please note that these profiles cannot be adjusted after synchronization. To start synchronization, click the Start Synchronize button. The profiles will be arranged according to your previous settings. You can click on the Widgets section. A control panel will appear, allowing you to set parameters without reopening the app. In the Windows Settings section, you can adjust the size of the open windows. You can choose your desired size in the Monitor section and click Custom Size to change the window size of the profiles. In the text section, you can set the text input for each window. If you want to enter random numbers, specify the desired range and then click Enter randomly. To input the same text for all profiles, enter the text in the identical text settings and click Type as Human. You can adjust the typing speed in the settings. In addition, you can synchronize other actions such as hotkeys and mouse actions. To enter different text for each profile, you can create text groups and fill in the content for each group. If designated is selected, the system will input text from top to bottom according to the order of the selected profiles. For example, in text group 1, you set the text as Antidetect browser Hidemyacc, make money online, multiple accounts. The initial profile selection order is Profile 1, Main Profile, Profile 2, and Profile 3, which are control profiles. When designated is selected, the text will be entered sequentially according to the initial profile selection order. If Enter randomly is selected, the system will randomly input text from the list. You can also create additional text groups as needed. To delete the entered text, click the Clear Text button. Next, to manage tabs in the open profile windows, use the Tabs section. When clicking Same Tabs, the tabs on the main profile will be synchronized to the remaining profiles. For example, if the main profile and other profiles have different numbers of tabs, when Same Tabs is selected, the profiles will automatically adjust to match the main profile. To close the current tab in each window, select Close Current Tabs. To close all tabs except the current tab across all profiles, select Close Other Tabs. To close blank tabs in each profile, select Close Blank Tabs. To access the same websites in each window, enter the URL and click Open. If Open Link in Current tab is selected, the first URL will be opened in the current tab of each window. Above, Hidemyacc has guided you on how to use the synchronization feature to perform bulk actions across profiles, helping you nurture and manage a large number of accounts across multiple platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Google, and more. If you notice any changes to the feature, please contact Hidemyacc support via live chat for the fastest assistance, or visit the Hidemyacc documentation linked in the description. Thank you for watching the entire video. See you again in the next video.